Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Can I charge a late payment fee in my business according to Islamic law? So late payment fees are considered riba because riba is a stipulated increase in a contract of exchange between two parties. We have an excellent reader on riba at Seeker's Guidance. You can see the related details there. So a late payment fee, right? If you pay late, if you delay payment, they charge you a fee. That is riba. Very clearly falls squarely in the definition of riba. So you cannot charge a late penalty fee directly. And riba is very serious. And we have answers related to both late penalties, payments, as well as riba in general at Seeker's Guidance. And it's a very serious matter. There's a way around it, which is that you keep a separate account. So you charge a penalty if there's late payment, but that penalty goes exclusively to that separate account. And it cannot be mixed with the other money. And then those funds must be given in charity. Those funds must be given in charity. You cannot avail yourself of them. The details of that are given in the related answers on Seeker's Guidance. And it's very critical that we seek knowledge before we act. Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has declared war upon those who willfully engage in riba. And once they become aware that what is or isn't riba, they still go into it. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala tells us that if one does not desist, فَأْذَنُوا بِحَرْبٍ مِّنَ اللَّهِ وَرَسُولِهِ, then face a proclamation of war from Allah and His Messenger. This is Surah Al-Baqarah, verse 279. Which is why, because riba and what riba stirs of manipulative, exploitative, extractive, draining, oppressive economic conduct is what causes systematic economic devastation at community level, at the societal level, and at the level of humanity, not just for human beings, but also that fuels the military-industrial complex, that fuels the devastation of the environment, etc. Right? It is an unwholesome way of economic action, and its end is destruction. Sayyidina Umar radiallahu ta'ala anhu said, لا يتجر في سوقنا من إلا من فقه أكل الربا. Let no one trade in our market except one who understands what it means to consume riba. So, i.e., so they can avoid it. Sayyidina Ali bin Abi Talib said, من اتجر قبل أن يتفقه ارتطم في الربا ثم ارتطم. Sayyidina Ali, out of concern for the believers, said, Sayyidina Ali bin Abi Talib radiallahu ta'ala anhu, that whoever engages in trade before learning about their religion and its limits will fall into riba, and then fall again into riba, then fall again into riba. So, learn. We have various courses on Seeker's Guidance on money matters. For example, it's an on-demand course, and we cover a number of on-demand courses on different aspects of finance. And there's a very good website that I would not hesitate to recommend overall, called Islamic Finance Guru, that gives very practical guidance on matters related to contemporary financial transactions. There's no lack of resources for those who would look. There's also a very good book by Mufti Taqi Usmani called Islamic Finance, An Introduction, and we would unhesitatingly recommend that as well.
لا إله إلا الله محمد رسول الله